Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 19th of December, 2017. This is going to be real short. Not much to talk about. Here's the ES front month futures contract. The futures don't show up, but the market's gapped up on Monday and just held dead flat. Literally, the opening 15-minute range of the day was the entire range of the day. Nothing else happened beyond that. So got a big gap up. We'll just go through the major indices. There's not much to show, nothing new to talk about. We'll talk about the data that's coming out on Tuesday. Let's be real about it. This was the first day of a new option cycle. It's a quarter after a quarterly expiration, so sometimes that slows things down. But this was really bad. We've got 8 trading days left in 2017. Next week will usually be a dud and very low volume and nothing going on. This had high volume with nothing going on. We came into the week thinking Tuesday and Wednesday would be the better days. So hopefully tomorrow and Wednesday give us something. By Thursday, people start to head out. Friday, forget it. So let's look at the daily charts. Here's the crude oil contract, gained 15 cents, no big deal. Gold down 60 cents, no big deal. S&P cash index, like I said, up there. Now you can see the gap up 14.35, but most of it was all a gap. The NDX also gapped up despite the 13 sell signal on Friday, up 46.95. SOX up 27.02. That's different from the 13 sell signal at the top there a couple weeks ago. Biotechs were down 6. VIX up 11 cents, which doesn't matter. Trend gained 70, closes at 70 cents, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.01. 1, 2, let me count backwards, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the next 2 days that are going to drop off this moving average are high numbers, 1.58, 1.39, which means if we get low readings on the trend like we have been, another 0.7 and a 0.7, let's say, that's going to really bring that 10-day moving average down quickly. Remember, when it's below 0.85, that's a sell signal. NASDAQ volume was 2.1 billion shares. That's the best in a couple of weeks, despite the fact that we went nowhere, not including Friday, which was expiration volume. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was plus 829, on the New York plus 1239. Google up 13.09, new closing high on Google. Apple up 245. I think that's a new closing high, or very close to it on Apple. Amazon up 1144, not a new closing high. Netflix up 30 cents. Tesla down $4.58, not a big deal. TLT down 117, that's the 20-year bond ETF, and Goldman Sachs up 285. Let's look real quick at the intraday action. Skip this to 5-minute candles. Look how flat that is. Look at that gap up. You just look at those first 2 candles. That's it. That's the whole day. That's really disappointing. Didn't want to end the year this early. And here's the NASDAQ. Even though there's a little more wide action, drifted up a little bit right before lunch, but look how flat the afternoon is. That's just horrible. Can't get much done in that environment. All right, so in terms of economic data coming out, you got the building permits and housing starts and current account an hour before the bell. And that's it. So let's hope for some action Tuesday and maybe Wednesday, because after that, you know, people are going to be heading out for the long weekend. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.